こんにちは. You'll be able to shop by pointing an item and telling how many. You'll go through essential expressions, Japanese perspectives, and learning tips. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Let's shop in Japanese. Now you came to the local Japanese shop. いらっしゃいませ. You found a nice tea container and going to buy it. どうぞ. You know this phrase from part 1 lesson 2. What would you say? Yes, first of all, ください. You learned it in part 1 lesson 2. Do you remember this one in Japanese? Yes, これ. So full sentence is これください. Wonderful. Good start. Repeat after me. これください. これください. Now you want to purchase the tea container displayed by the staff. Say それ, that one near you. So what do you say to get the tea container? Yes, それください. Great. Repeat after me. それください. それください. This time you found the tea container on the shelf over there. Say あれ, that one over there. So get the item in Japanese. Exactly. あれください. Repeat. あれください. あれください. どうもありがとうございます. どうもありがとうございます means thank you very much. And how do you respond? Yes, どうも and bear. Now let's check これ、それ、あれ by understanding the Japanese perspectives. これ shows a boundary between me and you. それ also shows a boundary between me and you. How about あれ? First of all, in your language, do you have a word which is equivalent of あれ? Where is the boundary? Me and you are in the same side as a pair or group. And the object is far from both of us. So the boundary is between us and the object. The idea seems to come from the group-oriented culture in Japan. Okay, let's try the whole interaction. いらっしゃいませ. どうぞ. You want to buy the lucky cat on the shelf near the staff. You say, Yes, それください. Good. If you want to buy more than one for your friends. Now let's learn how to count things in Japanese. One thing is 一つ. Two things 二つ. Three things 三つ. Now repeat after me. 一つ一つ二つ二つ三つ三つ Nice! Okay, let's buy 2 lucky cats. What would you say? Yes, それ2つください. 2つ is just before ください. In Japanese, more important and specific information comes towards the end of the sentence. Now let's understand one more element of Japanese perspectives. The native Japanese speakers process information. First, look at the bigger picture. Then, look at something more specific. In this situation, first the lucky cat, then how many of it? 2. Like this. That's why the word order is totally opposite to English. This is what I discovered from my teaching experience. Understanding this point will help you to learn Japanese effectively. So, それ2つください. Okay? Now let's try the whole conversation of the lesson. いらっしゃいませ. どうぞ. Let's get that one over there and say 2 of them. Yes, あれ2つください. Good. どうもありがとうございます。どうも. Fantastic. Okay, today's summary, まとめ. Tell me the expressions you've learned on the lesson. Yes. これ、それ、あれ。一つ、二つ、三つ。And culture points? あれ comes from the group-oriented culture, and Japanese eye shift from the bigger picture to more specific thing. Now I'll share my learning tip for you. Learning Japanese is quite different from learning Spanish or French. Just knowledge doesn't help if you want to speak well. It's more like learning tennis and football. What should you do then? Yes, lots of practice. Practice is essential to become a confident speaker. Please watch this video until you feel comfortable. Then speak a lot on the practice video in many situations. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. Excellent! That's all for today. In the next lesson, you'll be able to ask to repeat or to speak slowly for your better interaction. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.